Have you ever looked at an empty glass jar and seen a beautiful piece of garden art? Welcome back to Kira Style Garden. Today, we are turning ordinary trash into extraordinary daylight garden masterpieces. Grab those recycled jars, because we are about to create some stunning DIY decor that will completely transform your backyard space. Welcome back to Kira Style Garden. Today, we are transforming a simple, upcycled jar into an absolutely stunning faux stained glass lantern. Using just a few translucent glass paints and a faux lead outliner, you can create these intricate, classic geometric patterns. When you place this gorgeous piece on your garden table, the natural daylight shines right through those deep cobalt and ruby red colors, casting the most magical, colorful shadows across your beautiful daytime backyard space. For our next project, we are bringing a touch of vintage farmhouse charm right into your lush garden space. By wrapping a simple upcycled mason jar with some rough, natural burlap and a delicate strip of antique white lace, we create a beautiful textural contrast. We will secure it all with some rustic jute twine and a tiny wooden bead. Hanging from a shepherd's hook near your lawn, it looks perfectly charming under the bright golden sun. If you love that relaxed, bohemian aesthetic, this macrame jar project is definitely for you. We are going to knot some soft, cream-colored craft yarn directly around an empty clear jar, creating these beautiful, intricate square knots and twisting spirals. Finishing it off with some playful tassels adds so much character. Hanging gracefully from a tree branch in your garden, the natural sunlight highlights those complex yarn fibers, bringing a wonderfully peaceful vibe to your outdoor sanctuary. Let us bring a tiny piece of the ocean to our garden with this faux sea glass lantern. By coating a regular glass jar with a special translucent blue and green frosting mixture, we instantly achieve that incredibly smooth, weathered look of authentic beach glass. Resting gently on a garden stone, the matte finish beautifully diffuses the harsh daylight. It is such a simple, elegant way to add a soft, coastal touch to your vibrant floral landscape. Get ready to add a serious pop of color to your yard with this vibrant ribbon and bead creation. We are wrapping an upcycled jar in bright satin ribbons and threading on hundreds of tiny, multifaceted glass beads. When you set this colorful lantern on a weathered fence post, those little glass beads catch the natural daylight and sparkle so beautifully against the green foliage. It is a wonderfully cheerful addition that truly brightens any sunny afternoon. This next craft is an absolute classic that never goes out of style. We are making a vibrant Suncatcher by decoupaging overlapping pieces of colorful, translucent tissue paper onto our glass jar. When you hang this rustic piece from a garden trellis, the natural daylight illuminates the magenta and orange paper layers, making them glow brightly just like real stained glass. It brings such a joyful, radiant energy to your peaceful backyard garden space during the day. You will not believe how easy it is to create this high-end marbled enamel look using just a recycled jar. By carefully swirling glossy royal blue, white, and metallic gold paints on the inside, we achieve a complex, hyper-realistic marbling pattern. Sitting on a garden stone, the high-gloss finish stunningly reflects the surrounding daylight and lush greenery. It adds a touch of sophisticated luxury to your outdoor space, perfectly blending modern art with natural garden beauty. Let us add a little bit of daytime magic to the garden with this dazzling glitter decoupage lantern. We are coating the entire exterior of our jar with a dense, beautiful layer of iridescent craft glitter in shades of pink, blue, and purple. When resting on a weathered garden bench, those tiny glitter particles catch the bright sunlight, shimmering and reflecting from absolutely every angle. It is a wonderfully fun, sparkling accent piece that instantly catches the eye. If you love the look of heavy terracotta but want something lighter, this faux ceramic jar is the perfect solution. By mixing matte acrylic paint with a little baking soda, we give this upcycled glass a chalky, realistic ceramic texture. Resting quietly on a smooth garden stone near your blooming flowers, it looks just like an authentically hand-fired piece of pottery. The natural daylight softly highlights its organic, matte finish, bringing a grounded, earthy feel outside. This frosted silhouette lantern offers a beautifully crisp and elegant design for your outdoor table. We use a simple masking technique and frosted glass spray to create a clear window shaped like daisies and lavender, leaving the rest of the jar beautifully matte. In the bright daytime sun, the contrast between the rough frost and the smooth, clear glass is incredibly striking. It is a chic, subtle way to mirror the natural blooms in your gorgeous backyard. Do not throw away those leftover sewing materials just yet, because we are using them for this vibrant fabric scrap decoupage jar. We are covering our upcycled glass with overlapping patches of bright, colorful cotton, creating a beautifully eclectic patchwork design. Hanging from a flowering shrub, the natural daylight really brings out the rich textures and patterns of the fabric. This bohemian craft adds such a cheerful, wonderfully handcrafted splash of color to your lush greenery. For our final project, we are creating a stunning visual gradient with this yarn-wrapped ombre jar. We are tightly wrapping soft cotton yarn around the glass, transitioning smoothly from deep blue at the base all the way up to sunny yellow at the rim. Resting by your garden flowers, the daylight beautifully highlights the soft texture of the yarn and those fading, vibrant colors. It is a wonderfully cozy, colorful accent that perfectly completes your garden aesthetic. That wraps up our 12 beautiful daylight jar projects. From faux stained glass to rustic burlap and colorful decoupage, it is amazing how simple recycled materials can elevate your garden aesthetic. Which of these upcycle creations was your absolute favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to Kira Style Garden, and hit the bell for more DIYs.